Hi everyone, it's Eve. Welcome back to my channel, A Crafty Poodle Mom. I wanted to come on quickly today, Sunday morning, right before I am leaving to my SoCal Crafty meetup in Anaheim, California. And I wanted to share with you a couple of goodie bags that I created for a Winter Wonderland theme. I had this frozen Cricut paper that I picked up at Joann's a couple of months ago. It was on clearance and I wanted to use what I had. Let me show you what I created. So I created these goodie bags. These little envelopes that I created, one of the things about these meetups is that we get to socialize. Usually it's capped at 40 people, including the hostesses. And so we have a tendency of making large quantities of goodie bags. So we had to make 38. Whomever wanted to participate voted on the Facebook group. And I will link all the information down if you are in Southern California and would like to join us. It's always very fun going to these meetups and meeting so many other crafty ladies, very talented ladies. So what we do is there's a little poll and in the Facebook group, and if you want to create a little goodie bag to exchange or swap with someone, then you create how many that people are interested in. So 40 ladies invited, and I believe 38 goodie bags were to be made for swaps. And so I had a crafter's block for a long time. I just didn't know what to make, and so I left it at the last minute. So last night, Saturday, I went on my Cricut and I created these little envelopes. They're supposed to be little coin envelopes, but I chose one. This is the Damask Decor envelope, and I will link in the description box below the Cricut number. But I created these little mini envelopes to stick goodies in, and I created 38 of them. And then I stamped Season's Greetings on the top. This is a Jaded Blossom stamp. Really cute. I wanted to stamp a little bit more of the images, but I went to bed at 2 last night, or this morning, so I didn't, I overthought through things, and sometimes that happens, right? These foam snowflakes that I layered up, some are made out of felt and some are made out of corrugated little snowflakes. I found this pack of from the frozen section in Michael's. I found the pack in clearance, and it comes with a variety of different little foam shapes, felt foam, some foam that are decorated with some glitter on the top, and some that are corrugated, and a variety of different colors. So these were the frozen colors, if you will. So all I did was took my hot glue gun and stuck them, layered them up, and some of them I added these Dollar Tree snowflakes, and some I added, let's see if I have one. I had in my stash these 99-cent store snowflakes as well. So, and a lot of the foam shapes were plain, so some of them I used my Glitterific that my sweet friend Tara, thank you Tara, had sent to me, and I just applied it with the foam brush, and I only did a half of them because they started to stick on my fingers and I couldn't get them off. So these were definitely made with a lot of love. This is how my goodie bag, my snowflake goodie bags came out. And in my goodie bags, I have I took my frozen cartridge, my Disney Frozen cartridge, and I cut out Let It Go. Let It Go. Here, let me see if I can. I cut out the Let It Go ephemera piece for them, as well as the Warm Hugs in a variety of different colors to match the snowflakes. And I also cut out these two images from the pack as well, from the Cricut cartridge. They're so cute. So it was a print and cut feature. So they can use it on as ephemera pieces on tags, to put on cards or anything they wish. I also had a stash of these page sticky notes that I got at Target, and I stuck a whole bunch of them on top of the little goodie bag. This is an extra little goodie bag that they can apply the Let It Go and Warm Hugs on top and create a little goodie bag. So this is actually cut 1 by 3.5, and I had added, my husband so sweetly actually helped me put these chocolates in these bags for me, all 38 of them, because I was running out of time this morning and I needed to get ready. So what the recipients can do is take some of the Hershey Kisses and use these as candy wrappers, and I cut out a whole bunch, 3 of them. I put inserted 3 in the goodie bag, and they can wrap it and put a little sticky tape right here and create little candy favors. And they have 2 designs. It's double-sided, so they can choose the little Olaf elf, and then on one chocolate, and then the other one they can add the other design on the back, whatever they choose. So it's like a favor kit, if you will, or a goodie. It's a goodie bag within a goodie bag. So I wish I had more time to, you know, cut and create a little bit more for the ladies, but I just had a crafter's block. I just didn't have time, and with life, sometimes it happens where you think of the best projects at the last minute when you're under pressure, right? Okay, so thanks so much for watching. I will probably be posting a video of what I received in a couple of days, so I can show with you what other, you know, some inspiration on some winter wonderland or holiday goodie bags that we swapped with. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. See you next time. Bye.